Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to be taking a walk around this beautiful, fresh Rig Ready Ram 2026 Ram 2500 Bighorn, guys. So this one already came with the night edition, so the beautiful black decals. We put a 2-inch level kit on this one, 35-inch tires, 6.7 Cummins engine underneath with the ZF8 transmission, adaptive cruise control already installed, fresh to the 2025 lineup as a standard option, guys. You can see the beautiful 35-inch tires, mirror lighting, heated mirrors, blind spot mirrors on these ones, guys. Taking a look inside your passenger seat here, you're going to see you have your beautiful Bighorn decals in there to complement this truck's interior. Into the rear seat, a little bit of storage there. Rear seats will also lift up. This will fold over, giving you a little bit of extra storage there, guys. We'll come take a walk around the rear here. You're going to have a black exhaust tip already installed on this one. Backup camera here. Tailgate drops, you're going to have bed lighting, bed hooks, bed liner already installed, guys, so you won't need to do any worrying about that stuff. Right here is where you'll find your diesel and your DEF easily accessible to you. Rear seat, from here you can see even with the driver's seat reclined, you have a ton of legroom, guys. Into the driver's seat here, you'll see you have your beautiful big display in there, auxiliary switches, trailer brake control, anything you want, power mirrors, heated mirrors, power heated seats, everything you want, guys. If you want to get into a Rig Ready Ram, give us a shout, 780-942-3629.